let's take a look at a little upgrade I'm doing. Both the SD45s are going to get these blower housings. To do that, you got to remove the old blower housing, and using the milling machine. Now, I told you before, secret to doing this is clamping. If you can clamp it, you can mill it. So I put a bunch of wood blocks in here. I set it up. I don't want to break anything, so I've got a nice firm base on the inside and clamp it on either side. So then I will be able to slip this right in here, do a little shaping, just glue it on right there. It's going to fit perfect. And that will give me, this is supposed to be an upgrade, so I can give it a more modern blower housing and an exhaust. So all I had to do was get it clamped, and then I could get it done. And that was a pretty easy one. I'm hoping we're going to get over this hump today. We got a bunch of cabs. Let me quick show you. Remember how this was too short? Okay, I did some sculpting. Baking soda super glue. Cut some styrene. Glued it. Baking soda. Cut 2 pieces here, and then I shaped it and polished it. And it feels super smooth. So when it's painted, hopefully you can't even see the lines. That's what I'm going for. And I'm going to have to trim this down just a little bit on the backside, but it's okay. It's nice and strong now. Now we got something to work with. Getting the cabs together, first paint has gone down on some of the parts. We're getting close to that time where we're going to paint these by hand with a paintbrush, and it will be totally amazing.